Pretty. Afa.
Pretty.
Saba we say one me we. Imeti water where you can never give me, you know. Yeah, why you are delivering a message you never give me. You do me.
Okay. How can I help you?
It's
okay. Well, how can I help you?
Hey, Atana, that will woo. Otana will worry one yomi. Otana, you know when you translate to English language. Read one.
Okay.
My mama cook good corn. You know tell people.
Oh my God! Like seriously, just that?
Oh, funny.
My mama cook good corn.
Oh.
Just, it's nothing. That's just, it's a minor thing.
I know.
Okay. Say it again.
My mama cook good corn.
My mama cook good corn.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Say it again.
My mama cook good corn. You know tell me correct English. Like
seriously, you want me to interpret like?
Oh, what better?
It's fine. Say it again.
My mama cook good corn.
Okay. 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 My mom boiled good corn. No, that's not correct. No, it's not.
Why put you? What is that? Honestly, Coco.
I think I need water. Oh my God. Coco. Yeah. Don't worry.
Coco.
No. I'm fine. Thank you. Okay. Say it again.
My mama cook good corn.
Okay. My mom. My mom actually boiled goats for pepper soup and.
Pepper soup or ragbo. Demi. My mom boiled goats. My mom boiled goats corn.
Minutes.
Oh, pretty man is a boy. My mama cook goat corn. Comment ça dit Bebo.
It's okay. Let me. Okay. Wait. Hold on. Who okay with Beso now? You understand? Okay. Say it again just once.
My mama cook goat corn.
Yeah, that's. My mama boiled goat corn. Yeah.
Oh, pretty. Pretty on mama. I get it. You say na ya anu do ya gbe mo.
What's all this nonsense? Okay.
Oh. Me mana wa habo. Oh, viegwe e uhi. Me ma de na wo viegwe uhi. Eri ka.
Illiterate guy like you, dirty boy. How dare you insult my mom like that? Are you stupid? Are you not? So stupid. You're dumb. You're the one that is of Yahweh. You're the one that is of Yahweh. It's not me. Don't ever try that. I don't joke with that. Are you okay?
Of Yahweh.
You're so stupid. Nonsense. I can see that you're dumb.
Thank you. On a Be na ye boro we no wan e bonoro o wa ogu e be na wa ye boro we no wan fuck you name ogun oga gbo we egwe erika megeleri be ko na vo me meru legbera wewe de wa zu abagbon ibi ni manage we e ma bi oda fun ya fun we ogun oga gbo we egwe ibage ibi ge na wo yo